Hello, dear friend. Welcome to this practice. I'm going to invite you to begin to come through to a comfortable seat. And as you do begin to arrive, taking a gentle circle spiral. And as you begin to circle spiral, we'll begin to take a bit of rocking and rolling. Initially, elbow onto the inner thigh. And then maybe the hand down towards the earth. The opposite arm can begin to lift. I'm taking a little bit of a pulse or a rock here. As always, doesn't have to be patterned or pretty. Moving from one side and then the other. And eventually we'll begin to bring our hands back into the lap, stacking the spine notch by notch, vertebrae by vertebrae, until eventually you begin to find your center, beginning to lengthen. And if it's comfortable for your body, letting the left ear go towards the left shoulder. Staying as we are, left hand might begin to come to the heart, maybe the temple. Right hand staying in your lap or going off to the side. Having a little pulse or rock here. Letting that right hand come back into the thigh, and then we'll take it over towards the left. Stacking the head, left hand going up towards the ceiling, and we'll begin to tilt. Left hand going up towards the sky, and we'll twist. Right hand onto the leg, left hand behind. Releasing our twist, hands onto the knees, we'll tuck and round. The shoulders coming over the sit bone. And then your right ear towards the right shoulder. Right hand staying in our lap. Heart, maybe the temple. Again, left hand can stay in our lap or off to the side. A little bit of a half bind, knuckles back of the hand. And allowing that left hand back into our lap, over towards the right side. We'll begin to stack our head, right hand to the ceiling, and then we'll tilt over towards the left. Again, your pulse or rock here. And we'll twist. Right hand coming behind. And we'll begin to release the twist, both arms going up overhead, and we'll cactus, opening up the chest. Hands to the ceiling, and then letting the hands come forward. Palms down, back of the hands beginning to face each other. We'll begin to take a bit of a swim here. So imagine the fingertips coming forward. We'll begin to sweep the palms towards each other as we bow. And stacking the torso as we take the back of the hands towards each other. We'll take that 2 more times. Sweeping. Back of the hands coming together. 1 more time. And back of the hands. Palms down towards the earth, then lightly back into our lap. Circling, spiraling. Beginning to come through to a tabletop position of all fours. Hands underneath the shoulder-ish. And shifting and drifting. Left leg going straight behind us, half tiger. Weight beginning to go into that left hand. We'll take a threading of the needle, lifting that right arm up. And beginning to thread, forearm underneath our chest. Fingertips going towards the skirting board. And we might begin to tense up that left hand, taking it out to the side. If you want to take it further, maybe the left foot goes a little bit further out. Maybe that left foot begins to come in line with the right knee, beginning of gate-like pose with the legs. Right fingertips might grab the toe. Left hand coming back underneath our gaze, pressing the earth away. Right hand underneath our shoulder. We'll begin to come into our downward dog. So again, the left foot might be out to the side, maybe a little bit wider than your mat. Tucking the right toe, lifting that right knee. And taking the knee back down towards the earth. I'll begin to bring that left leg all the way back. Right hand beginning to come forward, taking our bird dog or maybe your tiger. Right hand beginning to come back underneath our shoulder, left knee. Tucking our toes, we'll begin to melt back, child's pose. Shift the way back into our hands, untucking the toes. Right leg going straight behind you, half tiger. Marinating here, shifting the weight to that right side as we take our left arm up. And maybe we thread, forearm, fingertips going towards the skirting board. Right hand can stay near your gaze. Maybe we take it forward. This right foot can stay, or again, maybe we take it a little bit wider. Maybe off to the side. Right hand can stay, or you might take a half bind. Right hand coming back underneath our gaze. We'll begin to press on threading. Left hand back to the earth. Tucking your left toe, staying as we are, coming into that downward dog. And left knee coming back down, untucking the toes. We'll breaststroke that right leg straight behind us. Left fingertips creeping forward. Maybe we lift. Left hand coming down, right knee. Tucking our toes, rising to a downward dog. Knees coming back down towards the earth. As we come back onto hands and knees, beginning to come sitting on the heels. Beginning to take the hands together at the heart, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in this very short and brief yoga practice. If you'd like to practice together in person, I do have an online yoga studio. Just check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again soon.